Good afternoon, each and everyone. I am Yansli Gallardo, and today I will tackle the next topic, which is customer feedback analysis. Customer feedback analysis is the process of collecting, reviewing, and interpreting customer feedback to understand their needs, preferences, and overall customer experience. These are the two types of customer feedback. So, it is positive versus negative. Positive feedback, example for the product quality. Customer constantly praise the durability and reliability of our product, which shows we are meeting their expectations for long-term use. While the negative feedback product is not durable and breaks easily, needed more improvement. So ang customer feedback mao ni ang mangayo ka og feedback gikan sa imong customer nga nipalit sa imong product or nipalit sa imong product. So naay two types ang feedback, which is pwede naay positive na puy negative. So ang gamit kini siya ang feedback sa customer if ever na ay mali sa imong products, makorreksyonan ra, and then ma-improve din mo kung unsay sayop kay ni feedback man sila. And that is the important of customer feedback. So the next topic is customer relationship management, or CRM. This is a system that helps business build connections with their customer. It makes guest interaction more organized. It also allows business to personalize service, making customers feel special. Example of tools for CRM is loyalty programs, rewards for repeat customer, CRM software to track customer details and preferences, personalized offers, which is sending discounts or message that match customer needs. In short, CRM makes customer happier and more loyal. So, customer relationship management is like a heart of business that keeps customer close and happy. It helps companies connect with people in a more personal way instead of just treating them as a number. With CRM, every interaction becomes smoothly and more organized, whether it's remembering guest favorite order, sending them a discount on something they love, or giving rewards for their loyalty. Some, so, some examples are loyalty programs, CRM software, personalized offer.